Alright, brought the Suzuki in today. We're going to be sanding the bonnet and the roof. We're going to get that painted, so we're going to give us a bit of a spruce up to make it look good. Hopefully the paint colour is a bit of a match, because if it is, then I might just respray and blend in a little bit of a wear section down here. Just paint that section alone. So fingers crossed on that one, and we'll get it sort of tidied up and get ready to flip. So let's get stuck into it. Back into the workshop. Didn't get any video footage of me trying to do the paint job yesterday in the Suzuki, because I taped my camera inside the car. So we've got the paint on. You can see I've untaped the car to get in. The only thing I'm not happy with is I seem to have some tiger striping in the bonnet. I'm going to put it out in the sun now, have a little look. Hopefully the roof is passable, because no one really sees up there too much. But the bonnet is quite visible and a bit of a feature, so might be a slight chance we're going to have to just give that a light sand and give it another going over. I instead of going like a 3:1 ratio of thinners to base coat with this particular brand of paint, which I should have been doing the base coat, I probably went very coarse, because I've only sanded all the peeled paint, all the flaking paint, and I wanted the paint to sort of stand up on top of all that. So might have bit me a little bit by making it too coarse, and when I've done some of this painting, it's sort of left some stripes in it because the metallic wasn't thinned down enough. So we'll stick her out in the sun, we'll see what it looks like, and if need be we'll just tape up the bonnet and give that another quick flick over with some very thinned out metallic this time. Come have a look. So the roof's actually pretty good, and the colour match isn't bad either. Like, it has a lot more metallic in it, but this blue's faded. That's actually looking pretty good, so if that's a win I can just tape that up. I don't need to redo that. But the bonnet, I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but yeah, it's got a lot of striping through it, so we'll visit back next door and we'll just give it a quick sand, and we'll just quickly spray that again. Might just take the tape off the bonnet and see what the colour match looks like against the rest of the car. I don't think we're going to worry, I think we're just going to go for it. starter didn't work too good, so now we're going to go with a mate's DeVilbiss DB1. I need to get mine fixed up and going again, but he reckons that'll be a bit better for this application, so we'll give it a go.